Welcome to NextWave AI. Today we're diving into how AI predicts major trends that are set to shape our future. We'll explore the fascinating process of how AI identifies emerging trends and reveal two significant areas where AI's predictions are making waves. Stay tuned to discover these trends and how they're transforming our world. AI is bringing us closer to that reality. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can identify patterns and predict trends. It's like having a crystal ball, but with data-driven insights. From the clothes we wear to the technology we use, AI is shaping tomorrow. We'll explore AI's predictive power in creative industries and sustainable technology. Buckle up as we're about to dive into the future, guided by the wisdom of machines. The journey ahead is filled with possibilities, and AI is our compass. Together, let's unlock the secrets of tomorrow, today. So how does AI actually predict the future? The answer is simple. Data, mountains of it. AI thrives on information. The more data it can access, the better it becomes at forecasting trends. Think of AI as a master detective piecing together clues. Every click, purchase, social media post, and search query is a piece of the puzzle. AI algorithms are designed to sift through this sea of information, identifying connections and patterns that would be impossible for the human brain to process. It's like finding a needle in a haystack, except the haystack is the entire internet, and AI can find the needle in seconds. This data can come from anywhere: social media trends, market research, economic indicators, even weather patterns. AI doesn't discriminate. It gobbles up information from every corner of the digital landscape, using it to paint a picture of what's to come. The more data we feed it, the clearer that picture becomes. But it's not just about quantity, the quality of data is crucial too. High-quality, relevant data ensures that AI's predictions are accurate and reliable. With the right data, AI can provide insights that are not just accurate, but also actionable, helping industries stay ahead of the curve. The implications of AI's predictive abilities are truly staggering. Imagine businesses knowing exactly what products consumers will crave before they even realize it themselves. Or imagine doctors predicting disease outbreaks before they occur, potentially saving countless lives. This isn't just wishful thinking, it's happening right now, in real time. AI is already being used to forecast everything from stock market fluctuations to the outcome of elections. While it's not perfect, its accuracy is improving at an astonishing rate. As AI continues to evolve, its ability to predict the future will only become more powerful and precise. This technology has the potential to revolutionize virtually every aspect of our lives, from the mundane to the monumental, but with great power comes great responsibility. It's up to us to ensure that AI's predictions are used for good, to create a brighter and more sustainable future for all. Education is another field where AI's predictive power can make a significant impact. By analyzing student data, AI can help create personalized learning experiences, ensuring that each student gets the support they need. In environmental science, AI can predict climate patterns and help us develop strategies to combat climate change. The transportation sector is also being transformed, with AI predicting traffic patterns and optimizing routes for efficiency. Even in entertainment, AI is predicting trends and creating immersive experiences that were once the stuff of science fiction. As we continue to integrate AI into our lives, it's crucial to address the ethical implications and ensure that this powerful tool is used responsibly. By harnessing AI's predictive power, we can build a more sustainable and equitable future for everyone. Our first significant trend predicted by AI is the burgeoning growth of creative industries. As technology continues to advance, the way we create, share, and consume content is undergoing a profound transformation. Creative industries encompass a wide range of fields, including film and television, digital art, music, gaming, and virtual reality. These sectors are increasingly leveraging technology to push the boundaries of creativity and engage audiences in new and exciting ways. One of the most notable trends is the rise of immersive content. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, are creating entirely new ways for audiences to experience stories and art. VR allows users to step into a digital world and interact with it as if they were physically present, while AR overlays digital elements onto the real world, enhancing real-life experiences with additional information or entertainment. In the film and television industry, AI is being used to streamline production processes, enhance special effects, and even assist in script writing. AI-driven tools can generate realistic visual effects, analyze scripts to suggest improvements, and even create deepfake technology for special effects. Digital art is also evolving with the help of AI. Artists are using AI algorithms to create novel art forms that blend human creativity with machine precision. AI-generated art can range from abstract paintings to intricate designs, often producing results that challenge traditional notions of creativity. The gaming industry is another area experiencing rapid growth. AI is enhancing game design by creating more complex and responsive non-player characters, NPCs, generating dynamic storylines, and even assisting in level design. This leads to more engaging and personalized gaming experiences. Moreover, AI-driven content creation tools are enabling more people to become creators. Platforms that offer AI-assisted video editing, music composition, and graphic design are democratizing access to creative tools, allowing anyone with a passion for creativity to produce high-quality content. In summary, the creative industries are being revolutionized by technology, with AI playing a pivotal role in this transformation. From immersive experiences in VR and AR to advancements in film production, digital art, and gaming, AI is not only enhancing creativity, but also opening up new avenues for innovation and expression. AI's influence on creative industries is a testament to its potential to reshape how we experience and interact with content. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more groundbreaking developments in this space. Our next major trend predicted by AI is the rise of sustainable technology. With an increasing focus on environmental conservation and reducing our carbon footprint, innovations in sustainable technology are becoming crucial across various sectors. Let's dive into some of the most impactful advancements. Renewable energy technologies are at the forefront of sustainable innovation. Recent advancements in solar and wind energy are making clean energy sources more efficient and accessible. Solar panels. Breakthroughs include high-efficiency solar panels that capture more sunlight and convert it into electricity more effectively. For instance, bifacial solar panels can generate power from both sides, maximizing energy production. Wind turbines. New turbine designs feature larger blades and more durable materials, enhancing energy capture and reliability. Innovations like vertical axis wind turbines are also emerging, designed for urban environments where space is limited. Energy storage. Advances in energy storage technologies such as solid-state batteries and flow batteries are crucial for storing renewable energy. These technologies allow us to use renewable energy even when sunlight or wind is not available. Electric vehicles, EVs, are transforming the transportation industry by reducing reliance on fossil fuels and lowering greenhouse gas emissions. Battery technology. Recent advancements include solid-state batteries, which offer improved energy density, faster charging times, and longer lifespans compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. Charging infrastructure. The expansion of EV charging networks and the development of ultra-fast chargers are making electric vehicles more practical and accessible, addressing concerns like range anxiety. Green manufacturing processes and sustainable materials are essential for reducing the environmental impact of production. Green manufacturing. Innovations in manufacturing processes focus on reducing waste and energy consumption. Techniques like additive manufacturing, 3D printing, enable more efficient use of materials, while new recycling methods minimize industrial waste. Sustainable materials. New materials such as biodegradable plastics and eco-friendly composites are being developed to replace traditional, more harmful options. These materials decompose more quickly and have a lower environmental impact. In summary, sustainable technology innovations are pivotal in our efforts to address environmental challenges and create a greener future. From advancements in renewable energy and electric vehicles to innovations in green manufacturing and materials, these technologies are leading the way toward a more sustainable world. Section 7, from smart grids to smart cars. The transportation sector is another area where AI is driving significant advancements in sustainability. AI-powered systems are being integrated into electric vehicles, making them smarter, more efficient, and more accessible than ever before. Imagine an electric vehicle that could learn your driving habits and optimize its battery usage to maximize range and minimize charging time. Or envision a world where self-driving cars, guided by AI, could navigate our roads with unparalleled safety and efficiency, reducing traffic congestion and minimizing emissions. Beyond transportation, AI is also playing a crucial role in developing and deploying renewable energy sources. From optimizing the placement of solar panels to predicting wind patterns for wind turbines, AI is helping us harness the power of nature more effectively than ever before. As we transition to a cleaner and more sustainable energy future, AI will be an indispensable tool in our arsenal. The influence of AI in predicting trends extends far beyond just identifying what's next. The implications of these predictions are profound, impacting industries, businesses, and even our daily lives. Let's explore how AI-driven trend predictions are reshaping various aspects of society and the economy. For businesses, AI-driven trend predictions are a game changer. Companies are leveraging these insights to develop strategies, innovate products, and gain a competitive edge. Strategic planning. AI predictions help businesses anticipate market shifts and consumer preferences. By understanding future trends, companies can adjust their strategies, align their products with emerging demands, and stay ahead of competitors. Product development. Innovations are often driven by the need to meet future demands. AI insights can guide companies in developing products that cater to anticipated trends, whether it's a new technology, fashion trend, or consumer behavior. Competitive advantage. Early adoption of trends predicted by AI can give businesses a significant competitive advantage. Companies that act on these insights can capture market share before trends become mainstream. AI-driven predictions also have a profound impact on consumer behavior and personalization. Companies use these insights to tailor their offerings to individual preferences and enhance customer experiences. Personalized marketing. By understanding emerging trends, businesses can create more targeted and relevant marketing campaigns. Personalized recommendations based on AI predictions ensure that consumers receive content and products that align with their interests. Enhanced experiences. AI helps businesses provide more personalized experiences, from customized shopping journeys to tailored content. This increased relevance leads to higher customer satisfaction and loyalty. The broader social and economic impact of AI-driven trend predictions is equally significant. These predictions influence job markets, economic growth, and societal trends. Job market changes. As trends shift, so do job markets. Emerging industries and technologies create new job opportunities, while others may become obsolete. AI-driven insights can help workers and educators prepare for these changes by identifying in-demand skills and future career paths. Economic growth. Trends predicted by AI can drive economic growth by fostering innovation and investment in new sectors. For instance, the rise of green technologies and renewable energy is spurring economic development and job creation in these fields. Societal trends. AI predictions can also shape societal trends and cultural shifts. By understanding what's likely to be popular or important in the future, policymakers and organizations can address emerging social issues and align their initiatives with evolving public interests. While the benefits of AI-driven predictions are substantial, there are also ethical considerations and challenges to address. Data privacy. The use of AI for trend prediction relies heavily on data collection, raising concerns about data privacy and security. Ensuring that data is used responsibly and that individuals' privacy is protected is crucial. Bias and fairness. AI systems can sometimes reflect or amplify biases present in the data. Addressing these biases is essential to ensure that predictions are fair and equitable. Transparency. Transparency in how AI predictions are made and used is important for maintaining public trust. Clear explanations of AI processes and decision-making can help build confidence in these technologies. In summary, AI-driven trend predictions have far-reaching implications across various sectors. From shaping business strategies and consumer experiences to influencing social and economic trends, AI is transforming how we navigate the future. However, it's also important to address ethical considerations to ensure that these advancements benefit everyone equitably. Section 8. The future is unwritten, but AI might have a draft. In conclusion, AI's predictive capabilities offer valuable insights into emerging trends. From the creative industries to sustainable technology, these trends are shaping our future in profound ways. If you enjoyed this exploration of AI's trend predictions and the impact of creative industries and sustainable technology, don't forget to subscribe to NextWave AI and hit the notification bell for more insights. Share your thoughts on these trends in the comments below, and let us know what other topics you're interested in. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.